Actually, can feel like an inner star that stirs in your peace. Speed up in your heart and fills in your mind with repetitive thoughts. But the truth is, you are not trapped in it. There are practical and accessible ways to regain control of your mind and in your emotional energy. First, learn to return to the present moment. Axiri lives in the future, in the what if. When you focus on your breathing, inhale deeply through in your nose and slowly exhale through in your mouth. You send a signal to your body that everything is okay. Do this for a few minutes wherever your mind feels overwhelmed. Another powerful tip is to take care of what you consume, not only in terms of food but also content. Avoid excessive negative news, toxic social media, or situations that increase in your tension. And your mind needs lightness to reorganize itself. Organizing your routine also helps us a lot. When you plan your day, even with small tasks, you reduce the feeling of internal chaos, accelerate growth and disorder, but lose strength when there is direction. Your body also needed to be heard. Practice physical activities, wake outdoors, or even stretching releases substances that help calm the mind. Never underestimate the power of a simple movement. And perhaps most importantly, don't fight fear with anger or desperation. Accept what you are feeling. Tell yourself it is okay to feel this right now. This will pass when you stop resisting, their intensity decreases. If possible, include moments of silence and inner connection in your day. It can be a prayer, meditation, or simply a few minutes of introspection. This strengthens that in your emotion and spiritual balance. Remember, overcoming anxiety is not about eliminating feelings completely, but learn to deal with them with more awareness, calmness, and confidence. Step by step, you can transform your relationship with our mind. Namaste. Gratitude.